Fuck off. I want it shut up. What a banger. Fuck off! That's not good enough for me. Dude, the door and the little hinge. You know what? Fine, have it your way, bro.